Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the eraser tool on Adobe Express. This is a fantastic feature that gives you precise control over removing unwanted parts of your design, helping you create cleaner, more polished visuals. Let's jump right into it. First things first, open your web browser and head over to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your Adobe Express workspace. This is where all your creative projects live, so you'll want to make sure you're signed into the correct account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Adobe Express homepage. From here, navigate to Recent Files. This section displays all the projects you've been working on recently, making it easy to pick up where you left off. Browse through your recent files and click on the project you want to work on and erase elements from. The project will open up in the editor, giving you full access to all the editing tools. Now that your project is open, click on the element you want to erase. This could be any visual component in your design that you want to remove or clean up. Selecting the element is crucial because it tells Adobe Express exactly what you're planning to modify. Once the element is selected, you'll notice that various editing options become available. Look over to the left panel of your screen. Here you'll find a variety of editing tools designed to help you refine your project. Click on Erase. This activates the eraser tool, which is specifically designed to let you remove portions of your selected element with precision and control. Once the Erase tool is active, navigate to the brush option within the eraser settings. You'll see a drop-down menu below it. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal your brush type options. Here, you can choose between Quick Selection or Circle Brush. Quick Selection is great for automatically detecting and removing larger areas, while Circle Brush gives you manual control for more detailed erasing work. Pick the option that best suits your needs. Next, navigate to the Size setting. You'll see a slider here that allows you to customize the size of your eraser. Drag the slider left or right to make the eraser smaller or larger depending on how much area you want to remove at once. Finding the right size is important because it affects your precision and how quickly you can complete the task. While you're adjusting settings, don't overlook the hardness and opacity sliders. These are incredibly useful for fine-tuning how your eraser behaves. The hardness slider controls how sharp or soft the edges of your eraser are, while the opacity slider determines how much of the element is removed with each stroke. Play around with these sliders until you find settings that work perfectly for your project. Now comes the fun part. Click and drag on the image to start erasing the areas you want to remove. As you drag, you'll see the eraser removing portions of your element in real time. Take your time with this step and be as precise as you need to be. If you make a mistake, you can always undo and try again. And that's it. You've successfully used the eraser tool on Adobe Express to clean up your design. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.